bucks.
Mm,
Okay. So whatever
95%
you
clear
just go
water.
by the ads. You just go by the ads, like whatever they say, you just agree to them because they
Hmm.
come on TV.
Yeah, but
And
I am impressed. You have sold me the product. You get my stamp of approval on it. Speaking to you has been extremely fun. I really don't think there's any room for correction. I'm sure as people, other speakers must have told you. I feel like you speak much better English than me. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. All right. So, have you had the chance to go through today's session document?
Being honest, no. Like I've been quite busy, but really didn't get a chance. But that is fine. That is completely fine. I really want it to be as spontaneous as it can be. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like the more spontaneous, the better. If we plan out things too much in our head, it starts to look like a speech, which this is not.
It does.
Also, I really like your headphones.
Thank you so much.
They
I,
match your shirt.
thank you. I'm really glad that you like them. Actually, I got them an hour back, so my voice is clear.
Yeah, absolutely clear. Much
Okay.
clearer than mine, I feel like.
So
Okay.
test has
So
been done.
the topic for today is that you have to sell me a wacky product. So
Thank you,
what do
product.
I mean? Yeah. So what do I mean by that? Have you watched? Do you watch any Leonardo DiCaprio movies?
I know Wolf of the Wall Street.
Yes, exactly. I was gonna use that as an example. So do
I'm
you
a movie
remember?
buff. Yeah, yeah, I have been watching movies since my childhood. I'm a great movie buff.
Do you like Leonardo DiCaprio?
I do. Yeah, he's one of my like favorite actors. Yeah.
Same. I love Leo.
Revenant,
Okay.
his Revenant movie as well.
I have not watched Revenant because people told me it's really, really boring.
If you love Leonardo DiCaprio, you ought to watch that movie.
All right, done. I'll take you up on that. Okay. So, do you remember that scene in the movie where they're trying to hire someone and they ask that person to sell them a pen, something as simple as a pen.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is exactly what you have to do. You have to sell me a wacky product. But what can be a wacky product? Can you think of something?
Mm. It can be anything.
I was thinking maybe a mug with a hole at the bottom.
With a hole at the bottom.
That's a wacky product.
Mhm.
What do you think?
All right. Okay. So I'll start with that. Ma'am, I have a mug. I have a very special mug. Okay. First, have a look at it. Okay. Suppose that I've given it to you and you have already looked at that product. The best part is it is not a normal mug. Okay. Uh, if you take a close look at it, you will see a small hole in it, like at the bottom of that mug. Do you see it?
But why is there a hole at the bottom of the mug?
I am coming to that. So there is a reason behind it. You can filter. It is for the filtration process. You can uh, filter your tea, your so it sounds crazy, but yes, you can do that. You can filter water even, and there is no visible filtration cover on it, but still you can go ahead and filter water. So
But
and
yes, yes,
yeah, yeah,
please
yeah,
continue.
please go ahead. Yeah.
So,
And
what makes your product so unique?
like this is the main charm of it, that if you show this mug to someone, he or she wouldn't be able to recognize or wouldn't be able to figure out that, like people would say that yeah, it is not like it's just a normal mug. Yeah. But when you tell them, okay, like the way I've told you its feature, they would be amazed. So yeah, I I guess. And having said that, all the cost is nominal. Yeah, it is just for $1,000, and I guess you'll be. It is indeed a good deal. Yeah,
That is
so
not a good deal with a mug with a hole at the bottom and for 1,000 rupees. No, no. I think I can live without it.
you can live without it.
Yeah, I think I
But
can.
what about 800 bucks? See,
Still too
it is a
much.
patent. So it is a patent. So it is my thing, and I request you to just have a look. And I would urge you to just filter one, like a glass of water, and then you'll see the difference.
So
Try
how
this
do you
once.
suggest? How do you suggest I use it? Do you want me to filter it and put another mug at the bottom so that all the liquid that drains out of it falls into another mug?
Like you can place anything, whatever you want. If you have a bowl or any big object, if you have, you can place it under that mug, and then you can filter that.
Sir,
You
but
try doing that. Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
sir, but if all the liquid drains out of the mug and it drains in a bowl, then do you suggest I drink it from the bowl like a dog?
Not at all, not at all. Okay, so whatever content that you get after that filtration process, you can directly put that water or that content in your uh, like in anything, like in a jar or in a mug, in a big mug, so that you don't have to buy those fancy aquaguards. Those are very expensive, and you are getting this for only 800 bucks. So I guess it's a pretty good deal.
Sir, wonderful deal, but I must comment what you're suggesting is that I should use three utensils to transfer a liquid from
Not
one
three
mug to
utensils,
another mug.
not three utensils. You already have a jug. You would probably have a big jar or something like that, right? See, what do you do actually on a daily basis whenever you go through that filtration process? What do you do? What do you have in your home for that filtration process? Do you have a normal
Sir,
filter? Do you have
we just
you
call it a
you can call me
channi.
Faraz? You don't want to miss call me sir. You call me Faraz.
But you're pitching something to me, so we must act professionally, no?
No, no, that is
So,
fine. That is fine.
but we use a channi. If my mother is making, say, tea, she'll just use a channi to drain things. But you're suggesting I must use a mug.
Okay, so my question was that what machine do you use on a daily basis for the filtration purpose? Only for water. Do you have a
My
proper
RO.
filter? RO? So, okay, how do you filter it? How do you take the water from RO? Tell me.
I just put it in a glass.
Put it in a glass. So that is one utensil, and you have to wait for some time, right?
Yeah,
Like
as long as it
and
fills up.
yeah, right. So that is time consuming, and this product is very cost effective too. It's just pretty. Like you end up, and that product, that RO and EcoGuard, like these machines requires proper servicing and all time to time servicing, and this product doesn't require any servicing, and just
Just
800 bucks.
just one more question. What is the guarantee that the water that I'll be drinking from it is 100% clear of any bacteria, any stones, anything disgusting that might be in it?
What is the guarantee that you are getting the most filtrated water from your RO machine?
Well, in the ads, they say 95%
You
clear
just go
water.
by the ads. You just go by the ads, like whatever they say, you just agree to them because they come on TV.
Yeah,
And
but because
this
if it
timing
doesn't
has been,
work, if it doesn't work, I can sue them also.
you can see you can sue them, yeah. But see, I'll what I'll be doing, I'll be giving a guarantee card. It is not that I am like a regular sales guy. I am like, this is my own product. I have invented it. Okay, so that is why I am pitching you to just buy this product, use this product once, and with that too, it is just for 800 bucks. Okay, I had started with 1,000 bucks, and now I have come down to 800 bucks. But and having said that all, I'll be giving you a money back guarantee too. Try this product for a month, and then you come to know
All
it.
right, I am impressed. You have sold me the product. You get my stamp of approval on it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, is there any other, just out of curiosity, is there any other wacky product you can think of?
uh, what it can be.
Anything like a pen without ink? These kind of suggestions.
Pen without ink. Okay. You know what? I can think of something, but I like I was able to sell you that uh, I don't want to mess it up with another product. You know, the flow was good and the yeah. Like if you can try something.
Okay, perfect. Um, well, speaking to you has been extremely fun. I really don't think there's any room for correction. I'm sure as people, other speakers must have told you. I feel like you speak much better English than me.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, no, no, I'm being really honest. Wonderful, wonderful conversation. Is there anything else that you'd like to share with me? Did you like the session document for today?
Yes, we can certainly go ahead with that. So yeah, this is the like first session that I'm having with you, and it's been I guess 3 months, maybe more than that, that I've been associated with the Clapping Go, and I've been striving to become a teacher. That's fine, and I'm striving to become a teacher. So I have a separate YouTube channel as well, wherein I can keep posting teaching videos for beginners. So the people who cannot afford these such platforms, they can of course can listen to the social media, of course. So I have taken that initiative. I am doing that, and yeah, and on the daily basis, if I'm having a conversation, so I guess it is good, and I have been improving a lot. And whatever feedback and suggestions that I get from the tutors on Clapping Go, I really try to implement them, and yes, that has been fruitful to me.
Well, I must say that's a wonderful cause. Before we continue, I just like to say that there is a AutoCut feature to these sessions, so don't think that I've just left without saying goodbye.
No, no,
I
no,
would
no,
never do
no.
that. Yeah, but that is a wonderful cause. Have you seen any notable changes in your
I
English?
have.
You think you
Yes,
can?
I have. The first thing first, I would say that I've become way more confident, and
That is
I end up
amazing.
reading more because like I am reminding like I'm putting that conscious effort. So I am like on the daily basis, I am reminding myself, yes, Ras, you have to do this and you have to keep on improving. So yeah.
That is extremely wonderful. Yeah, anything else that you'd like to talk about? Any Leo DiCaprio movies that you'd like to mention that I should watch? I've only watched a couple
Yeah.
actually.
Okay, so I can recommend you. So yesterday only I had watched that movie Greyhound. Greyhound is one such movie that is amazing. Tom Hanks is there, so you ought to watch that movie.
I love Tom Hanks.
Yeah,
Okay.
and do you like Robin Williams?
God,
Have,
I can't put
have
a
you
face
seen?
to that name.
Okay, so like you just Google it out and you watch his movies, you'll fall in love with that guy because he's
I will.
he's no more. But you okay, you will be able to relate to it. You must have heard this movie's name, Jumanji. Have you heard this movie before?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So he played the character. So he was in that movie, the original Jumanji. He was there. So watch the movie. Yeah.
Have you watched Seven, the Brad Pitt movie?
Seven.
It's a good one, right?
It is indeed a good one. Seven, and of course Troy, and I guess yeah, Fight Club was the movie name.
Yeah, Fight Club, Fight Club. You know, it's so funny you brought up Troy. I am studying English honors, and just last semester we had, oh my god, I just I forgot the name of the book, but it is the actual book that was Iliad, written by Homer. We
Okay.
had that. It's a big book, and we had that in our syllabus, and then we had
Have
to
you
watch
read
the movie.
Gone with the Wind? Have you already read?
No,
I
not
guess
yet.
that must. Okay. Like I'm also an English honors graduate.
Ah, see, we can bond now. It
Yeah,
is
definitely. Yeah.
way it is way tricky
That
than
is
I
why
ever
like I
thought
had
it
been
was.
hooked to reading books. I guess that is why I had adopted this habit since I have been reading since my childhood. But yeah, when I had opted for this course, like since then I have been hooked to literature actually, drama, fictional. So what is your genre? Which genre you like?
I like historic novels a lot, historical fiction. I love reading historical fiction. But I also like Greek mythology. Last semester we had a lot of Greek myth. We had Ovid and Ovid's Metamorphosis. We had his all of his
Metamorphosis. Yeah,
stories. Yeah. And so I love Greek mythology. What about you? In fact, you're the first learner I've had that loves reading books.
yeah. So yeah,
What is
like
your favorite genre?
it is the great habit. My so there are many books. Yeah, like War and Peace, Artemis Fowl series. Yeah, Lord of the Rings. Yeah, complete series. Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling. Yeah, all these. Like I really love them.
So
Right now,
do you, yeah.
yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah.
So would you say you like the dystopian world a lot? The genre of dystopian novels?
I'm not really much into it. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm actually really into fictional novels, and I actually it depends upon my mood, and I love documentaries as well. Watching them, reading about them. Yeah, I really love them.
I like my general elective is history, so they ask us to watch a lot of documentaries because we can't really go through all the types. But I haven't
Yeah.
watched any. I think it requires too much of too big of a concentration span, which I lack.
So I guess you will love these kind of movies, Greyhound, which I have suggested you, and Pearl Harbor. You might have watched, or if you haven't watched that,
Yeah, I watched Pearl
because
Harbor.
you have watched. Yeah, all-time favorite movie,
No, my all-time favorite movie I'd say is Ocean's 11. I like Ocean's 11
Ocean's
because I
11.
like George Clooney.
George Clooney. Okay. What about Matt Damon? Do you like Matt Damon?
I was going to bring up Matt
I
Damon's name.
I am a great fan of it. Like Born, like that Born series. Have you watched that Born series? Like I
No,
love
I have not.
what you ought to.
Definitely. I think we're running out of time a little bit. Can you hear me? You're on mute. Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting a call. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're running out of time. So I just wanted to say, I've had an amazing session talking to you. It was lovely, lovely, lovely conversation. Absolutely wonderful. I hope I didn't bore you.
Not at all, not at all. It was indeed a great conversation, and I really didn't feel like that we were having the conversation for the first time. Yeah, looking forward to have another conversation.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.